Do you want to create stunning videos without spending hours editing? In 2025, 5 AI tools can revolutionize your video creation process. Most people are still unaware of them. First up is Runway ML. This tool allows for magic cut, in-painting, and background removal. No green screen? No problem. The AI manages that in seconds. You can think of Runway ML as Photoshop for your videos. Next is Pictory AI. This tool transforms text into video in mere minutes. It's perfect for those camera-shy content creators. If you want to make engaging reels from your blogs, Pictory is a goldmine. Now let's talk about Descript. With Descript, you can edit your video like a Word document. It automatically removes filler words, making your edits seamless. Just delete the text to remove corresponding video parts. It's like editing on autopilot. The fourth tool is Wisecut. It offers features like auto silence removal and AI voiceovers. Plus, it balances background music for you. Wisecut is an excellent choice for podcast clips, interviews, and vlogs. Finally, we have Adobe Premiere Pro AI. This powerful tool offers auto transcriptions and scene edit detection. With Adobe Sensei AI, your editing software is now smarter and faster. AI is not replacing video editors, it's empowering creators to work more efficiently. Which tool amazed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in discovering more creative tools, don't forget to subscribe.